and welcome to the Stupid History Minute. I'm your host, Kev Pound. Today, we're talking about the refrigerator. The history of the refrigerator dates back to the early 19th century. In 1805, Oliver Evans, an American inventor, designed the first refrigeration machine. However, it wasn't until 1834 that Jacob Perkins, another American, received the first patent for a vapor compression refrigeration system. The breakthrough, though, came in 1876 when Carl von Linde, a German engineer, developed the first practical and commercially viable refrigeration system. Over the years, innovations like the introduction of Freon in the 1920s and the widespread adoption of household refrigerators in the mid-20th century transformed the way people preserved and stored food, becoming an essential appliance in the modern kitchen. This has been the Stupid History Minute, and I'm Kev Pound.
This podcast is a production of Unfiltered Studios. If you would like to know more about joining Unfiltered Studios, please visit our website at unfpod.com for more information.